The manufacturing process of PPR pipe. It has the advantage of lightweight, sanitation, non-toxic, good heat resistance, corrosion resistance, high flow capacity, low installation cost, and longevity. First of all, the raw materials must be selected strictly to ensure that they meet the national standard. The raw materials shall be dried by hot air and transported by stainless steel vacuum tube to ensure that they are not contaminated during the transportation process. Under the high pressure of extruder, the tube blank is formed by the diversion and compression of the die. Under the traction of the tractor, the tube blank can be precisely shaped into the required specifications by the cooling and shaping action of the vacuum
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or rock